Oh my gosh, it's a Nikon lens. What the junk? Oh my gosh, is that a Nikon camera? What the junk? Okay guys, so you did hear me right. This is a Nikon Z30 on a gimbal. So and the stabilization is probably going to be absolutely insane. So why I got the Nikon instead of a Canon or the Sony ZV-10 is because the stabilization on this camera is absolutely insane. With the bigger lens or without the bigger lens. Like, I'm holding this right now and shaking like junk because it's kind of heavy on this gimbal, but you probably can't even tell, right? It's insanely smooth. And then I have this little lever. If I double click the trigger, go back to center, and boom. And on the screen right here, it will flip out and it'll turn so you can see it, or you can turn it back so you can just use it on the back of the camera. I'll show you like with a clip over it, but like it will track my eyes instead, so that's absolutely sick. I'm also plugging in a Moza, is it VXR10 microphone? So it's like a little small shotgun mic. So audio sounds pretty good. I don't have a wireless mic set for this. I have it for my phone. But yeah, this camera is just beautiful, dude. And then this lens right here, I tested it on the road. This thing can get so far zoomed in, it's absolutely insane. And this lens right here is a 16 through 55. That is a 15 or 50 or 16 through 50, 50 through 250. So that's pretty insane. So this will zoom into like here. That's where the other one starts. So I will show you some clips outside in a second. So yeah, this is the podcast room that I built. Not done yet, as you can see. But yeah. So here, I'm gonna go with my right hand. Voila, voila, voila. It's pretty fire, pretty fire. I can like jog. It's so smooth, dude. It's so smooth. It's absolutely so smooth. That is camera stabilization and gimbal stabilization put into one to make it absolutely insane. I'll show you just camera stabilization in a second, but here I'm gonna go outside. Also, you can turn HDR on this camera, which I think is absolutely sick. There's the wind, but the microphone will help with the wind. So we're outside now. HDR is off as well. Okay, so the sun's behind me. Pretty good background blur, if I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. Swing this camera around. So this is me just using. That was me just using the trigger. So yeah, might run a little bit. You probably can't even tell, can you? That's absolutely sick, isn't it? Oh, this gimbal. This duo though is so sick. I'll have everything that I got linked in the description because this duo is absolutely insane. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to this lens and then do some far shots. Probably won't do any talking because I can't really be in frame with this. I might flip the microphone around backwards so you can hear me from the back, but I don't know. I might get some sick shots without talking. So yeah. That's going to conclude today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you want this Nikon and the gimbal, like I said, links down in the description. I took a little bit more pictures, so you should have those pictures. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. And if you want to see more with this camera, if you want me to go more in depth with the settings and stuff, say in the comments down below. I have been messing around with settings, so I know where most of the settings are. So yeah, peace.